Wooden fence discoloration from sun exposure can totally wreck your yard's vibe, but you can actually fix it with some smart moves. So, the first thing you want to do is pick a UV protective stain or sealer, because those are made to block out the sun's harsh rays and keep your fence looking fresh longer. Before you slap on any product, make sure your fence is clean and dry. Give it a good wash with a scrub brush and some soapy water, then let it chill for a couple days. When you're ready to apply, use a brush or roller, and go with the grain of the wood to get even coverage. Don't be lazy about reapplying either. Every 2 to 3 years is usually the sweet spot, depending on how brutal your sun is. Try to avoid clear sealers since they don't offer much UV protection. Tinted stains are better because they soak in and protect deeper. Also, if you catch discoloration early, sanding your fence lightly before staining helps smooth things out and gets rid of that faded look. Lastly, if your fence faces intense sun all day, consider planting some bushes or installing shade cloths nearby to take some heat off and keep it lasting longer. One of the biggest mistakes people make with wooden fences and sun damage is skipping the prep work, like not cleaning or sanding before staining, which makes the stain peel or look blotchy fast. Fix this by always cleaning and lightly sanding before applying any product. Another common goof is using regular paint or clear sealers instead of UV protective stains, which leaves the wood vulnerable to fading and cracking. Choose products labeled for UV protection to keep your fence solid. The third thing is forgetting to maintain the stain over time. Waiting too long to reapply lets the sun break down the wood and finish badly, so set a reminder for every 2 or 3 years to keep things tight. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors who know their stuff about fence care and other home projects. Plus, it's a solid way for contractors to get found by people who actually need their services without all the hassle.